Bachelor of Science Honors Anthropology BScan course offers students a deep understanding of human evolution, culture and social behavior. Project BANE 154 is an essential part of this program, helping students apply their theoretical knowledge to real-life research. This project focuses on topics like social anthropology, biological anthropology, archaeology and human genetics, which help students explore the origin of humans, their culture and how societies function. IGNOU students often face challenges in preparing their synopsis and project report, but with the right guidance they can easily achieve approval and success. Project BANE 154, Theoretical Knowledge, Real-Life Research. Social Anthropology, Biological Anthropology, Archaeology, Human Genetics. IGNOU students, challenges, synopsis, project report, guidance, approval, success. Students pursuing IGNOU BScan should not delay in submitting their synopsis. The submission period for December term-end examination is from August to October, and the final project submission is between October and November. For June term-end examination, the synopsis submission happens from February to April, and the project submission from April to May. Completing the project on time ensures smooth evaluation and better grades. Many students fail to get approval because of lack of proper format or unclear objectives, which can be easily avoided with expert help. SELF-GAN provides complete support for IGNOU BScan students, from topic selection to synopsis writing and final report preparation, with the best success rate and timely approval. SELF-GAN has guided hundreds of students towards successful completion of their IGNOU projects. If you want your project approved without delay, contact SELF-GAN today on 96997843005 or visit selfganignou.com. Get expert assistance at an affordable price and make your project journey simple and stress-free. Submit your synopsis now and secure your success with SELF-GAN.